In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Booking.com app 2025 step by step. If you travel often or compare prices across regions, switching the currency in the Booking.com app makes everything clearer and helps you avoid doing mental math. You'll see prices in the money you actually use, which can make budgeting and decision making much easier. Start by opening the Booking.com app so you're on the home screen. Make sure you're signed in if you want this preference to sync across devices, but it's not required. It also helps to keep the app updated since icons and menus can move slightly with new versions. The process is the same on iPhone and Android, though the exact placement on your screen might vary a bit. Next, look for the currency icon. It often appears as the symbols, dollars, or as a short code like USD, EUR, GBP, at the top of the screen. On some layouts, you'll find it in the top bar near the account or language controls. Tap that currency area to open the currency options. If you don't immediately see the symbols, check the top of the main screen since Booking.com usually keeps currency and language controls together where they're easy to reach. From there, tap Select Your Currency. This opens a list of available currencies, typically grouped by popular choices, and then the full list. You'll see familiar symbols and three-letter codes, so it's easy to match the one you need. This is the place to choose the currency you prefer. After you make your choice, the app refreshes the prices across stays, flights, car rentals, and experiences, so everything displays in your selected currency. A quick note on currency versus language. They're separate settings. Currency changes how prices are shown. Language changes the text you read. If the language changes unexpectedly, don't worry, you can switch it back without affecting your currency. Keep in mind a few helpful details. The currency you pick controls how prices are displayed in the app, but the final charge may still be processed in the property's or provider's currency, depending on your booking. Your bank or card issuer might apply its own exchange rate or fees, and totals with taxes or fees can reflect local rules. If you're traveling, the app may suggest a currency based on your region, but you can always override it with your preference. That's all you need to do. Open the app, tap the dealer area, and use Select Your Currency to set the display you want. With your preferred currency in place, browsing and comparing becomes faster, clearer, and more accurate for your trip planning. Happy booking!